crease, now I never fold. I keep my eyes on the road, no looking back, I live forward. They never seen this before. I don't got nothing to lose, I don't got nothing to prove. I just keep jumping through hoops, can't stop, I must see.
Just between me and you just gotta see that through.
From Minute Maid Park in Houston, the rain is falling, yet the roof is open. It's the Chicago White Sox taking on the Houston Astros. All right, we'll be back to get this. Here's Tim Anderson. And a pitch. That misses. And away we go this afternoon.
First pitch,
High in the air, out to right. Tucker should have it. Hauls it in, and there's one away.
batting second, the left fielder, number 23.
Andrew Benintendi up to the plate.
Benintendi.
Swing at a ball lifted to center field. Hauls it in after a long run. And there's two away. And now Yoan Moncada. First pitch just misses. Chris, when you look at Justin Verlander, what makes him so good on the mound?
Well, I would say in the prime of his career, the fact that as the game went on and he got deeper into his outing, he actually gained.
And it gets by him.
Really nice job staying up the middle with his approach. He didn't try to do too much with the pitch, just shot it through the infield.
Eloy Jimenez in the box here, lets that one go for a ball. That's inside. 2 balls, no strikes to count. Moncada leads off first with 2 down to the inning. The 2-0 is in for a strike. A little out front there as he swings through it.
And he really sells the changeup with that arm action.
The pitch. Spoils that one, and it remains 2-2. Just missed.
3-2, 2 out, runner on first. A lot of movement in the infield. Hitter's got to stay focused on the pitch.
Oh, great stop. Throw to second. Save. And that is that. So 1 hit. Ready to go for the last half of the inning. And stepping in for the Astros, Jose Altuve. And that one fouled off. Singh, you think about all the success Altuve's had in the postseason, including the walk-off homer off of the Yankees and Aroldis Chapman in 2019. Only Manny Ramirez has more postseason home runs in Major League history. Righty to the plate. Knocks that one away, and we'll do it again.
Yeah, Jose Altuve really tells you a lot about how he's able to play the game and feel no pressure, just performing at a high level in the postseason, and no doubt he's been a big part of a couple of the Houston Astros World Series championships.
Ripped on a line to center. Naquin makes the grab. 1 up, 1 down. And now it's Alex Bregman. Swings through that one. 0-1. And a pop-up, right side, foul territory. Vaughn snags it on the run. Here's Yordan Alvarez. And he swings and misses at the initial offering.
Well, it looks like he just got out of himself a little bit right there. He's looking for a ball in, and to attack that pitch looked like a half-hearted swing.
Popped in the air, left side. No play, that's an infield single. So 2 down. Here's Kyle Tucker. Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock. Throw in holds the lead runner at second. 2 on now with 2 away.
Just so sound in his mechanics. Hits against a firm front side, and the hands just continue to carry through the middle of the field.
And here is Chas McCormick.
That's a strike.
Squares, pushes at it, misses it. It's a strike. And it's 0-1. They say it went.
No ball. 2 strikes.
Alvarez on second. Tucker on at first with 2 down. And the righty deals. And just misses with that one.
Man, oh man, I don't know how you take that pitch. That's as close as it gets.
And that one in the air center field. Naquin drifts towards it. Makes the catch, inning over. 2 left for the Astros. We played an inning. Score. Back here at Minute Maid Park. Top of the second. And now the first baseman, Andrew Vaughn. And there's the strike. Verlander, a multi-Cy Young Award winner. He features a 4-seam fastball, a slider, a curve, and he works in a changeup. Joe McDonald doing the home plate duties here.
Well, Joe's an interesting one. I'm always trying to figure out what exactly his zone is. It feels like he kind of moves around from game to game, sometimes inning to inning.
Yeah, I think that's fair. I don't think he's ever way off with his balls and strikes, but yeah, I don't think it's easy to define what his zone is, like you said. The 1-2.
Ball 2.
The punch out there. 1 out.
Started with a nice feed to the second baseman from the shortstop. Perfect turn, and they're out of this jam.
On to the 4th. Now it's Andrew Benintendi to hit. And the pitch. Next offering popped in the air, right field. Tucker pulls it down, and there's 1 down.
Maybe caught that one off the end just a little bit. Couldn't quite barrel it up enough to really drive it.
Here is Moncada. That one's in there. Strike 1. Just missed. One down, base is empty. Down the line, it's a base hit. Takes the turn. He's digging for second. In safely. It's a double and his second hit.
That was a thing of beauty. He may have been a little behind the pitch, but by getting that barrel into the hitting zone early on in his swing, he was able to meet it and still shoot a line drive down the line and left. A chance now to take the lead, and at this point in the game, that could be a deciding run.
Here's Eloy Jimenez.
1-0.
Next offering upstairs. Appears they're working around him with the base open, Singy.
Well, you know, these 2-0 counts, Boo, they're just not what they used to be, and we sound like old guys when I say that. But ultimately, this is a strategic game, and you expect to see this type of approach by the pitcher in this situation.
Line drive, caught!
Well, that had RBI not written all over it. Put a great swing on it, but a nice job on the infield to react and bring it down.
Andrew Vaughn now. In there for strike one. Swing and a miss. And the count is 0-2.
Real ugly 0-1 swing right there. As a pitcher, got to be hunting for that strikeout. Keep him off balance. Send it back to the dugout.
Next pitch misses. And the count 1-2. Caught him looking for the K. No runs. Bottom of the fourth. Now here's the Astros designated hitter, Yordan Alvarez. He swings and misses at the first pitch. 0-1. Chris, Alvarez has turned into one of the best young hitters, maybe one of the best hitters in all of baseball. He's got some of the most raw power in the entire game. Fights it off. You'll see another.
Yeah, and won that Silver Slugger Award in 2022, and a slugging percentage of .613 and OPS over 1,000.
Got him swinging. So here's the Astros cleanup hitter, Kyle Tucker. Pitch misses inside, and that's ball one. Swing and a miss, and it's 1-1. Late with the swing there.
Generally, second, third time through the lineup, you want to be able to lean on those secondary pitches and command them. Looks like he's doing a nice job of it.
Spoils the 2-strike pitch, and he'll see another. Righty delivers. Got him looking. Now 2 out.
Well, just couldn't pull the trigger on the fastball right there, and I don't think he was taking it, thinking it might be a called ball or anything. I just think he was flat out frozen. Did not expect that location, in my opinion.
Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock. Here's Michael Brantley, and he's already singled in this game. Bounce to the right. Vaughn steps on the bag, and that is the inning. One left for Houston, and we are still scoreless. And welcome back. New inning getting started, and now the right fielder, Gavin Sheets. That's in there, and that's strike one. And a foul ball. Left-hand batter waits. And ball one.
I don't like to say he wasted a pitch. I think that was a purpose pitch. Change the eye level, have him look up. Now go back exactly where you want to go.
Foul ball still, a 1-2 count. And a pitch. And it's even up.
It's getting squeezed a little bit here late.
Ripped into right center for a base hit. Safe at second with nobody out, and that double has the go-ahead run in scoring position. A perfect example right there. That plate discipline, it pays off.
The deeper he gets into a count, the more comfortable he becomes, and he usually wins the battle.
And first offering is fouled off. Sheets at second with nobody out. In the air, left field. Brantley going after it. He's got it. And there's one down.
Now back.
And next to him for the Sox, Tyler Naquin. Went down on strikes his first time through. Hard hit left side. Now 2 away.
Well, he's doing a nice job of keeping the ball out of the air. Lets the defense work behind him with another ground ball. Good execution.
Now it's the White Sox catcher, Corey Lee. Ground ball left side. Fires over to first. That's the third out. So a man left for the White Sox, and we're still knotted at 0. Back here in Houston, we head to the bottom of Gavin Sheets. First offering misses the mark.
1-0.
And that's a strike.
Goodness, I think he just took the best pitch he's going to see in this at bat. You don't get many like that in that location. I don't know if you take that pitch against any pitcher out there on the mound.
The 1-1. Foul ball there.
Well, he missed a hittable off-speed pitch right there. Not sure exactly with the timing. Sometimes you get a backup breaking ball. You're expecting it to make its move at the end. It never does, and you're tied up.
1-2 now.
2-2.
Second inning here, no score. Popped up. Bregman makes the grab, and there's 2 down.
Batting 7. The second baseman, Elvis Andrews.
Here's Elvis Andrus. And there's the strike. Swing and a ball popped up. Tries to make the play, but it's foul. Puts it in the air out towards left center. Tracks it down for the out. And that is that. Back here in Houston, bottom of the inning, and Michael Brantley is going to come up to hit. Cease back to work. Going 1.
Looks like he went up there guessing on the first pitch and was going to sell out to it. Didn't make any contact, though.
And a base hit right there. And the leadoff man aboard.
That could be a dangerous pitch if you don't get it inside enough, because as a hitter, you see it coming across the plate the whole way. No problem handling it and putting a good swing on it that time.
Jose Abreu up to bat next. Lays off for a ball. On the ground to the left. And it gets by him.
Just one of those seeing eye base hits through the infield. He just kind of rolled over on it a little bit, but sometimes those can find a hole and get you a knock. Runner in scoring position now, and a good opportunity to push across the first run of the ballgame.
Jeremy Pena swings through it for strike 1. Good contact guy, good defender. And now the count is even.
Way to lay off that pitch down.
Runners on the move. This one popped up. Foul ground, first base side. Vaughn makes the grab, and there's one down. It beats him back to first. It's a triple play. Welcome back. All set for the start of the inning. Tyler Naquin to the plate. Verlander back to work. He swings and fouls one off. It really feels like we might be running out of time before a rain delay is called. This rain is not letting up.
Yeah, and if we do get a delay, the unfortunate thing is the clock's going to start ticking on these pitchers, and they won't be able to keep their arms warm forever if it's a long break, and going to have to exit this game a little early.
Next offering upstairs. Got him swinging. Couldn't catch up to the heater. Here's Corey Lee. And fouled off. Here comes a pitch. And it's fouled away. Kicks and fires. Good eye right there. Looks like the weather could actually play a factor in this one. It's coming down pretty good.
Yeah, it is, and it's not too bad yet, but the field's not going to be able to hold up if the rain gets any worse than this. So keep an eye on the pitcher's mound as well, and the rest of the infield start to puddle up a little bit.
Back to the top of the lineup. Here's the shortstop at the plate, Tim Anderson. Next pitch is popped up. Abreu drifts towards it, and that's the inning. Count in order go the White Sox. Still no score. Set for the bottom of the third. At the plate is the Astros catcher, Martin Maldonado. And the first pitch misses for ball one. Maldonado, a former Gold Glove winner, 36 years old, and he was born in Puerto Rico. He was late there, strike one. And he deals. Way out front for strike two.
The hitter early and off balance on that swing. If I'm the pitcher, I'm taking a little bit more off, see if you can get him to chase something in the dirt.
The next pitch misses, and the count's even at 2. Down and in, moved his feet. 3-2 now. Battling here as he fouls it away. The 3-2 is off the outside edge, and that is ball 4.
Now a great back and forth in that at bat. He had to lay off some really close pitches, and somehow Boogie found a way to keep the bat on his shoulder right there. I'll tell you right now, I couldn't have done it.
Runner on the go. Throw to second. Ow!
Such a quick and fast swing of emotions right there. You get the runner on with the walk, which is great, but then picks a bad pitch to go on.
Well, Singy, one of the smallest guys in all of baseball, but the resume is incredible. An MVP in 2017. He's won the World Series twice, 6 times the Silver Slugger, 3 times a batting champ, 8 different times he has been an all-star. What a career he's put together. On the ground, and it goes just foul.
Yeah, and just continuing in the line of Bagwell and Biggio and guys in the Hall of Fame. He's headed there himself, Boog, but one thing about it, you mentioned that size does not hold him back. You know, only Manny Ramirez has more postseason home runs in Major League Baseball history than Jose Altuve.
Pulls up on it, and that's a base hit. Now it's Alex Bregman. First time up was a pop out. Pitch misses, and it's 1-0. Right-hander kicks, deals. Now 1-1. Next offering is down low, and it's 2-1. Altuve, the runner at first with 1 gone in the inning. Check on the runner. Altuve back easily. The pitch. Swing and a miss. That is strike two.
With 2 strikes, may see some movement over there at first base. Try to stay out of a double play here.
On the ground left side. 6, 4, 3 to play. And the inning is over. The 5th. And here's the first baseman, Jose Abreu. That one misses. 1-0.
1 ball, no strike.
Kicks and deals. And there's a ball.
Back-to-back breaking pitches away, you get the feeling as a hitter that the pitcher's afraid of you, that he doesn't want to challenge you. So I think the confidence level is raised right here.
Now a screamer into the outfield. Base hit! A leadoff single, and the go-ahead run is aboard.
Showed some really nice patience in that at-bat. Worked himself into a good count. I could watch base hits like that one all day long, and so could every hitting coach in the league. Just a nice line drive into center field.
Jeremy Pena up next for the Astros. There's a strike.
0-1.
Runner at first with no outs here. And there's a foul ball. This one in the dirt. Runner holds. Count goes to 1-2. The 1-2. Gets a piece there. We'll do it again. Nobody out. Runner at first. That one the other way. Pulls up on it. Base hit. Throw holds him at second, but the go-ahead run now in scoring position, and still nobody out. First and second, no outs. Martin Maldonado up to hit. And he swings and misses, and it's 0-1.
Pretty impressive. We haven't seen that pitch from him much, but he's got a really good feel when he throws it.
That one out to right. Sheets pulls it down, and he makes the catch. 1 away. So the batting order turns over. Here's the second baseman, Jose Altuve. 1 for 2. And that one ripped to left, and that's just foul.
The last thing he wants is to hit the ball on the ground, but I wouldn't expect many pitches up in the zone. They'll be pitching for a double play in this spot.
Quick feed to second for 1. On to Vaughn. 2. Back here at Minute Maid Park. All right, we go to the top half of inning number 6. And now the shortstop, Tim Anderson. Pitch misses. Ball 1. Lined, and that's a base hit. The throw into second, in safely with a leadoff double. Go-ahead runs in scoring position.
Always feels amazing getting a job done when the team needs you to come through. It's just bigger than your own individual stats. Nice job of driving that pitch the other way on a line. You know, hitters, they take so many reps in the cages working on going to the opposite field, and it doesn't always translate into the game, but right there it did, and he did it perfectly. A lot riding on this next at-bat now as they look to take the lead at a critical point in this one.
It really looks like these hitters have been in between with their timing today. Good fastball, excellent slider, but they've not been able to commit to one velocity and stay there. Runner at second, nobody out. The
1-1 is fouled off. Hard hit, base hit. Anderson flying around third. Play at the plate, safe, and they take the lead. Here is Yohan Moncada.
Really good piece of hitting last time, going to the opposite field.
That's in there. That's strike one. That's a slider for a strike.
Man, this guy's got a great feel for his breaking ball today.
On the ground left side, 6. In plenty of time to first. Now one gone in the top of the 6th. Eloy Jimenez now. That one's in there, 0-1.
0-1.
That's a strike.
Two pretty nasty sliders to get this hitter in an 0-2 count. If you're up there at the plate, you got to look up in the zone and spit on anything that's down.
Sends it to first, and they take care of Jimenez for the out. So up next for Chicago, Andrew Vaughn, who's 0 for 2 with a pair of strikeouts. In there, and it's 0-1.
Man, I mean, nice job just presenting it to be better than it actually was.
Vaughn started after it, tried to hold up. Now a look to first. He went around, according to Carl Dixon. In the air, pretty deep out to center field. And up next for Chicago, Gavin Sheets. Pitch is in there, and that is strike one.
One strike.
Vaughn stands at second with 2 gone. Next offering is in for a strike.
Perhaps not quite ready to hit. First 2 pitches by him for a couple of strikes.
He goes down looking. But 2 runs for bottom of the 6th. Here's the third baseman, Alex Bregman. Cease back to work. Foul back our way, and that's out of play. 2013 in the playoffs, you caught one as the Red Sox played the Rays in the division series.
Nice sacrifice.
Swing, and this one's blasted. It's got a chance. Grabs it right up against the wall.
Every day during batting practice, these outfielders get about 10 minutes of balls in the gaps. They practice this, and when the game comes, they make the play perfectly.
Alvarez now in the box, comes up empty with a swing there.
The offense needs to start showing some fight against this starter. He's doing his thing out there. They're going to have to push back at some point and make him work a little bit harder.
Ripped on the ground to second, in time to Vaughn. And now the Astros are down to their final out. Now it's the right fielder, Kyle Tucker. That misses the zone, and that is ball 1. There's a swing and a miss. Popped up, middle of the diamond. Anderson settles under this one, and he's got it. Ball game. And the White Sox get a shutout on the mound.
Great pitcher's duel in this one. You get to a certain point where each pitcher is trying to outdo the other, go a little bit deeper into the ball game, and these guys,
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like. Bye.